Hello learner, welcome to the Audacity Part 3 in which will be discussed on use of various effect tool to edit recorded voice. Let's move towards our demonstration.
Okay, here you could see the tool called Draw Tools. Uh, it enables redraw the waveform, and it can be used to make volume changes to individual samples or effect repairs to click on the noise. So first thing you have to select. Then you just if I am selecting this portion of my audio, then I am just going to the file selection to width, and here you could see the dot line you could see here, and here after clicking here you could see the different dots or different small samples of our audio. Then you can adjust the audio or volume by using this here if you want to. So after you can see one of the volume is increased here. I have adjusted this. I'm going to the play my audio.
How are you finding ICT?
Okay, you could see the small changes is reflected here. So in this way you can adjust volume as per your own requirement or edit one. And if you can also add more. First you have just going to the zoom in section again, then you could file selection with the width. After that you can okay. Now what are the other effects? Here I am going to again I am going to the this section, and here you just want to select this portion, and you want to copy, you want to this section with end part of our audio. So you just go to the edit section, then you just copy this portion, and if you want to add audio, edit, then paste. After that you could listen this portion. Okay, so in this way you can also make some copy of your audio in between the audio wave. So here you just create all these things like how to set your audio. After that, if I am selecting whole audio, then I am going to the effect section. Is you have to noise removal or repair. Why it is required? If you if your fan is on, if your some AC is on, and during recording it creates some noise, so you can get the noise removal or repair. Click on the first you have to get the noise gate. Here the settings of the noise gate, like here you can also so increase the some threshold of the noise, how the volume and frequencies, level of reduction, how much level you want to reduce the noise. Again you can, all these things you can do as Audacity have something. And if you want to apply this one, and after that you just click whatever effect you will be applying, you will be clicking on the audio again and again for getting clarity of that is the effect is applying properly or not. So again I am just going to the effect section. If I am going to noise reduction, here I am clicking on the get noise profile here. Then I will be play.
Hi, how are you friends? How are you finding ICT EPC classes? Is it interesting or boring one? Share your feedback.
During recording, I don't have any that much of noise in my surroundings. So what Audacity suggested while you are applying the noise profile, so that effect is not much more clear. But when you will be recording in the group and some other like birds, voice, eh, and in that case you will apply and you just see your what the changes is reflected in this section. So in this way it is going to the effect section. Here I am just add some volume and compressor, means in this section you would get amplify, auto dock, compressor, limiter, loudness normalization, means where your voice is more loud and you just want to normalize your voice. Okay, another effect I would apply here, like my pitch and tempo. Like if I am want to change the pitch and speed and pitch, then your recording will be reflected. Here you can change. Then here it is apply. Audio volume is decreased now after applying this one. Again you just play.
Hi, how are you friends? Are you finding ICT EPC classes? Is it interesting or boring one? Share your feedback.
While you will be creating some funny things and during Instagram post and during while you will different cartoons you could see. In that case you can also use edit your volume in this way. So we just make Control Z here, and then you can again go to the effect section, and in this pitch and tempo you can change the pitch, like different kind of voice you can add here, and change tempo here, and you can also stretch your tempo from slightly left to right section. Here you can see the applying just change tempo, will be changing the tempo. So here applying here, then again I am going to the play section.
Hi, how are you friends? Are you finding ICT EPC classes? Is it interesting or boring one? Share your feedback.
Okay, so in this way and echo, like here I am applying echo. So here I am how many times or for how many seconds you would apply for, like I am 5 times and applying this one. Then
Hi, how are you friends? Are you finding ICT EPC classes? Is it interesting or boring one? Share your feedback. Is it interesting or boring one?
okay, you could see the voice is coming more than 1 to 2 times. So in this way you will be applying
I hope after watching this video, you will be able to edit your voice by giving various effects. Thank you.